cold open. Post-pandemic travel is a whole new ballgame. It's time to navigate this new territory together. In the blink of an eye, the world we knew has transformed. The travel landscape, once familiar, is now a terrain of new rules and regulations. But don't let this dim your wanderlust. Let's delve into what to expect and how to prepare. First off, expect the unexpected. From fluctuating travel restrictions to enhanced health and safety protocols, the new normal is anything but predictable. Adaptability is your new best friend. Next, prepare to be patient. Airports are no longer just transit hubs, they're now fortified health checkpoints, so always allow ample time for these additional procedures. Lastly, become a diligent researcher. Stay updated with the latest travel advisories and regulations of your destination. Knowledge is power, and in this case it's your boarding pass to a smooth journey. Remember, the world is still your oyster, it's just wearing a different set of pearls. Embrace the change, prepare accordingly, and the world is yours to explore once more. Until next time, safe travels and keep your spirit of adventure alive. And this has been your quick guide to post-pandemic travel. Stay tuned for more from our travel and lifestyle video series.